Hey guys, so I just received the Ncase M1 version 6. It came from Taiwan today, so I'm just going to do a little unboxing because I haven't found too many videos of this case. So let's start. We started with one box and now it's in another box. Nice little has a decal. It has a nice little decal to it. That's my lovely wife in the background. And I'm not even gonna make her edit that out because I really don't care. Oh wow, it's quite nice. So first thing you see is just, I think that's the top of the case. There's a little box with some extras, we'll open that up. Oh, two boxes with extras. So let's start with the actual case here. Very light. So this case actually has a support cable inside it for power supply. I'm gonna figure out how to open this. All right, panel just pops right off. And you actually get the side for the 240mm radiator support. Really nice. Just a protection wrap. Top of this case should pop off as well. The other side pops off. See a little bit of a look on the inside of this thing. Actually has vents on the bottom as well. Front I/O. Has a USB-C, auxiliary, 2 USB cables, power. Whole front panel actually comes off as well. I think you can actually fit a couple solid state drives or one here. I've never built in this case, but it is going to be a new experience for me. So I just kind of wanted to show this case off as a lot of people may be interested in it. It takes a while for it to be delivered because it comes from Taiwan internationally. There's a couple of rubber ports here. I'm not exactly sure what they're for. It looks like maybe liquid cooling support. And there you have it. And there's some extra cables. Now, what I want to do is actually get into these little boxes because I'm very curious what's inside of them. So there's actually a bunch of little brackets in here and some, looks like rubber grommets, speaker wiring in here as well. So that's quite nice. Now, what's in the other case? Oh, there's some grills for the fan. There's a couple others. I'm sure this is probably for a radiator. And you have your several bags of screws. And that pretty much concludes what's in this case. If you guys have more questions, you can comment below. Obviously this is my first video, but I figured I'd do something just to show off a case that is not very seen. There are a few other guys that have some videos on this case actually, and his Optimum Tech. That's actually where I originally heard of this case. But I just wanted to do a little bit of unboxing for it. This actual mesh grill right here does come out. And it seems to be, yeah, it's magnetic. So it just slaps right on there. The one on the bottom is magnetic as well. So it's a cool little case. It's nice and compact. You can definitely fit a larger graphics card horizontally. And we'll have to see when I build it. All right, thanks for watching, guys.